Welcome students to our YouTube platform Easy English Learning Darshan Sir India. In today's video lecture, we are going to discuss current affair for date 24 July 2024. In this video lecture, we are going to know about static GK concept and after that, today current affair questions. Languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Language: Assami, spoken in Assam, recognized in 1950. Bengali, spoken in West Bengal, recognized in 1950. Bodo, spoken in Assam and West Bengal, recognized in 2003. Dogri, spoken in Jammu and Himachal Pradesh, recognized in 2003. Gujarati, spoken in Gujarat, recognized in 1950. Hindi, spoken in most parts of northern states, recognized in 1950. Next one is Kashmiri, spoken in Jammu and Kashmir, recognized in 1950. Kannada, spoken in Karnataka, is recognized in 1950. Konkani, spoken in Goa and parts of Karnataka, recognized in 1992. Malayalam, spoken in Kerala, recognized in 1950. Manipuri, spoken in Manipur, recognized in 1992. Marathi, spoken in Maharashtra, recognized in 1950. Maithili, spoken in parts of Bihar, recognized in 2003. Nepali, spoken in Sikkim and parts of West Bengal, recognized in 1992. Odia, spoken in Odisha, recognized in 1950. Punjabi, spoken in Punjab and Chandigarh, recognized in 1950. Sanskrit is a very old language and which is mentioned in the Constitution in 1950. Sanskrit is only spoken in the marriages and in the worship places. Sindhi, spoken in Gujarat and Rajasthan and Maharashtra, which is spoken in 1967. Santhali, spoken in Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal and recognized in 2003. Tamil, spoken in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, which is recognized in 1950. Telugu, spoken in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana and which is recognized in Constitution in 1950. Urdu, spoken in northern India and recognized in 1950. Now let's go on with the current affair questions in English. First question is asking, on the occasion of World Kabaddi Day on March 24, India has created history by creating a Guinness World Record with the participation of how many players? Answer is 128. Second question is asking, according to the 2024 Global Rich List of Hurun Research, which city has emerged as the new billionaire hub of Asia? Answer is Mumbai. Third question is asking, who was recently awarded the Abel Prize for the year 2024? Answer is Michael Telegrand. Fourth question is asking, who has recently been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Myanmar? Answer is Abhay Thakur. Fifth question is asking, recently the Archaeological Survey of India ASI decided to remove how many centrally protected monuments from the list? Answer is 18. Sixth question is asking, recently the Election Commission launched which app to monitor the election process? Answer is CVIGIL. Seventh question is asking, who has recently been made the new brand ambassador of Everready? Answer is Neeraj Chopra. Eighth question is asking, recently Luis Montenegro has been made the new prime minister of which country? Answer is Portugal. Ninth question is asking, which medal did Vinay win in the Para Powerlifting World Cup held recently in Egypt? Answer is gold. 10th question is asking, recently the Indian Agricultural Research Institute has demanded legal action against which country for renaming and cultivating protected basmati varieties in India? Answer is Pakistan. 11th question is asking, Election Commission is described in which article? Answer is Article 324. 12th question is asking, asteroids are found between which of the following planets? Answer is Mars, Jupiter. Now let's discuss same current affair questions in Hindi. क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट इज आस्किंग, 24 मार्च को विश्व कबड्डी दिवस के अवसर पर भारत ने कुल कितने खिलाड़ियों की भागीदारी के साथ गिनीज वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बनाकर इतिहास रचा है? आंसर इज 128. सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग, हुरून रिसर्च की 2024 ग्लोबल रिच लिस्ट के अनुसार कौन सा शहर एशिया का नया अरबपति केंद्र बनकर उभरा है? आंसर इज मुंबई। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग हाल ही में किसे वर्ष 2024 का एबल पुरस्कार दिया गया है? आंसर इज मिशेल टेलेग्रैंड या फिर माइकल टेलेग्रैंड बोल सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन फोर्थ इज आस्किंग हाल ही में म्यांमार में भारत के अगले राजदूत कौन नियुक्त किए गए हैं? आंसर इज अभय ठाकुर। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग हाल ही में भारतीय पुरातत्व सर्वेक्षण ASI ने कितने केंद्रीय संरक्षित स्मारकों को सूची से हटाने का फैसला किया है? आंसर इज 18। सिक्स क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग हाल ही में चुनाव आयोग ने चुनाव प्रक्रिया की निगरानी के लिए कौन सा ऐप लॉन्च किया है? आंसर इज CVIGIL। सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग हाल ही में एवरेडी के नए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर कौन बनाए गए हैं? आंसर इज नीरज चोपड़ा। एट्थ क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग हाल ही में लुइस मोंटेनेग्रो को किस देश का नया प्रधानमंत्री बनाया गया है? आंसर इज पुर्तगाल। नाइन्थ इज हाल ही में मिस्र में आयोजित पैरा पावर लिफ्टिंग विश्व कप में विनय ने कौन सा मेडल जीता? आंसर इज गोल्ड। टेंथ इज हाल ही में भारतीय कृषि अनुसंधान संस्थान ने भारत में संरक्षित बासमती किस्मों का नाम बदलने और उनकी खेती करने के लिए किस देश के खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई की मांग की है? आंसर इज पाकिस्तान। 11th क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग चुनाव आयोग का वर्णन किस अनुच्छेद में किया गया है? आंसर इज अनुच्छेद 324। 12th क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग निम्न में से किन ग्रहों के बीच क्षुद्र ग्रह पाए जाते हैं? आंसर इज मंगल बृहस्पति। स्टूडेंट्स इसी तरह से रोजाना करंट अफेयर देखने के लिए हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर 7 PM पर आप देख सकते हैं और 8 PM पर इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग वीडियोस देख सकते हैं।